Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Brevo, Sendinblue, CRM automation, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. To register with Brevo, also known as Sendinblue, first, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Brevo's official website. Once the page loads, locate the Sign Up Free button, typically found in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign Up Free button to proceed. You will be directed to a registration form. Here, enter your valid email address in the designated field. Create a strong password, ensuring it meets the site's security requirements. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the next field. After filling out your details, make sure to check the box agreeing to the terms of service and privacy policy. Once completed, click the Create My Account button to submit your information. Next, you should receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open that email and look for the confirmation link provided. Click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. You will be redirected back to Brevo, where a welcome message should greet you. Now, log in using the email and password you just created. Upon logging in, you may be prompted to complete your profile information. Fill in the necessary fields, such as your name and company details. After completing your profile, move on to the dashboard. Explore the various features available for CRM automation in Brevo. Familiarize yourself with the interface and adjust your settings as needed. Start creating your first automation workflow to fully utilize the platform's capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.